You can start now.
Hello everyone. So good afternoon. So today our meeting purpose is for recording a presentation video for cloud computing. So first of all, I'll give you an introduction for cloud computing, and it's about cloud computing, the practice of using a network remote servers hosted on internet to store, manage, and process data rather than local server or a personal computer. So we have a number of types of cloud solutions, and which are included private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud. So today we will be covering our report, and which is about implementing cloud solutions for any organization. So we have chosen here a global healthcare organization for implementing cloud solutions. So first of all, we'll give an overview of the report, and this report will introduce a solution that is cloud based for global care health hospital, which is globally health provider. So the main task and main challenge for the hospitals, main challenge for every organization is to manage the data. So for the hospital, the main challenge is for the management of data, operational scalability, security, privacy, and most importantly, they face challenge with the management of patients' data from numerous countries. So the third one is the cloud solution. What the cloud solution will do, as we are implementing cloud solutions for the hospital. So the cloud solution will refine electronic health record systems, services of telemedicine, and storage of hospital data. And the fourth one, we have provided some suggestions and recommendations for the implementations of cloud solutions on hospitals. So the suggested implementation strategy will make sure the compliance with the global privacy laws, which integrates the existing infrastructure and which offers the scalable and which will be cost effective and reliable solution. So the next one is cloud deployment and service requirement for the justifications. For the hospital global healthcare, the decision to embrace the cloud computing depends on various core consideration that include security, scalability, regularity, compliance, and availability of data both globally and the health provider for the patients and for the health provider workers. And it depends on the requirement of hospitals, and the desirable strategy of cloud deployment includes a hybrid model and integrate with the cloud services to encounter the business and the operational goals. So the other one will be covered by the Dhruv. So
Yep.
Dhruv, can you please just
Yeah.
continue?
Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Patel. So today I am going to discuss about the deployment of the hybrid cloud model of the healthcare sector. The approach of the hybrid cloud model is the most appropriate development for the hospital. This model combines both private and the public cloud environments that's allowing hospital to counterbalance the necessary data to the secure storage system to just upload their data, and portability, flexibility to access their data anytime and tendered by public platforms of the cloud. So
Yes.
next slide is the role of the private cloud. So the role of the private cloud is a very important in the global health sector. So global health care hospital requires peeling up the summoning the dedicated health data of the patient. This data must follow with the religious like GDPR, like General Data Protection Regulation. This is in the Europe and the that is in the US. To meet these currencies the requirements for crucial storage of data and processing the global care with deploy a private cloud. The private cloud permits for the better commands over the security and the private data that make sure the sales management and the delicate patient data. So next one will be the Dava will be present the next one.
Okay, thank you. My topic is role of public clouds. The public cloud service permit the hospital to effectively handle the rush hours, such as during the seasonal surgeries and health emergency in the patient's traffic. Hospital
Mhm.
will grabs a public cloud for scheduling of appointments, process of administration, service, telemedic, portal of like patient and service of telemedicine that are non-sensitive, then the high demand applications. Next slide, please.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the other one is cloud services. Cloud services include a platform as a service, PaaS. PaaS will simplify the development of the apps and like integration also allows us
So
upper slide. Yeah. Allowing the information technology teams of the hospital to make the custom application of health care that increases the patient's care. Second one is infrastructure as a services, IaaS. The IaaS will give the portable storage options and power of the continuing giving the hospital to elaborate the infrastructure without recognizing its hardware physicals. And third one is software as a service, SaaS, as will assist the portal of the patient, telemedicine services and administration tools which making sure the flawless disability service healthcare globally. Thank you.
the next one is Abdul going to present.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. My name is Abdul, and I'm going to talk about some of the implementation of cloud solutions that are already discussed by Dava. So, first of all, our strategy is designed to ensure the security and efficiency of services while transitioning to the cloud. So, let's start with the planning and assessment phase. This step is crucial as it helps to identify which services should remain in our private cloud and which can transition to the public cloud. For instance, patient data is sensitive and needs to be protected, so it will stay in the private cloud. And on the other hand, the less sensitive functions like administrative tasks and telemedicine platforms, they can be moved to public cloud. And this strategy separation ensures that we are prioritizing the security where it matters most. And the second step is setup of infrastructure. So the first priority here is to establish our robust private cloud to secure our patient data. We'll utilize the portable services like Amazon EC2 or Azure virtual machines for the public cloud environment. This will allow us to integrate administrative functions and telemedicine seamlessly. By doing this, we create a smooth flow of data between both cloud environments and ensuring sensitive information is kept secure within our private cloud while still enabling efficient operations. And the third step is migration of data. So finally, we enter the migration of data phase. Our infrastructure is in place. Our IT team will begin relocating of patient data and telemedicine's data and administrative information to their designed cloud environments. And this process is handled to ensure data integrity. Importantly, we will also integrate data recovery and backup plans during this phase. This means that in the event of an emergency, we can quickly recover all of the data, ensuring minimal disruptions. Regular backups will keep in place to protect against data loss and giving us peace of mind that sensitive patients' information is secure. So by following this structured approach to implementing our cloud solution, Global Care can ensure that the secure management of patient data while enhancing our operational efficiency. We are excited about the opportunities this transition presents and are committed to maintaining the highest standard of data protection throughout the processes. So now I would like to call Ridma, so we will continue the discussion.
Ridma, you
So
can.
taking over from Abdul, I'm going to talk about testing. So after the migration of data, a complete testing phase will come on the stage. This includes precise testing of the cloud system, which is done in order to make sure that it works as expected. Also encounter the compliance standards of healthcare and continuous security of data. To verify that the latest cloud systems can easily manage the high traffic specifically for telemedicine and other crucial services, performance testing will also be done. So moving on to the next slide. The other thing is ongoing maintenance and deployment. So after the completion of testing, the final phase is the deployment of the cloud services. So staff will be trained during this stage to use the new cloud-based services and tools effectively. And the cloud-based tools will be made operational to track the performance, privacy, security, and real-time compliance. And next slide, please. So now we're about to conclude our presentation. So in conclusion, by deploying the cloud-based solution, it will be helpful for global healthcare hospitals in several ways, including the intensification of capabilities to store the data, refined operational efficiency, greater services of telemedicine by addressing the ethical considerations, privacy, security, and other needs of the maintenance required for global healthcare. And this can be changed with the regulations of healthcare and in order to give good quality accessibility of healthcare to patients globally. And that is the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
everyone.
guys.